knowledge of the Lord Yahweh is the water cover the sea. Let's see how much of the earth is going to know me.
Shalom. My name is Sarah Abigail Israel. We are discussing the commandments of Yahweh. The first two commandments ever given to man were given to Adam in the Garden of Eden, which were to dress it and to keep it. We are continuing our study of the second of these two commandments, which is to keep it. In Hebrew, the word keep is shamar, and one of its meanings is to be on the lookout for, or to be expectant of, the future birth of a child. In light of this definition, we are discussing some of the things the Bible said would happen to this one child, the Messiah, Yahweh ben Yahweh, that would clearly identify him as the one promised to come in the Old Testament, to deliver or restore the lost sheep of the house of Israel, the so-called black man of America, who are descendants of slaves, to the promised land. Let us review some of the key issues we discussed last week. We continue with the phrase, lest his disciples come by night and steal him away. In our decoding of come by, we learned that it means to acquire, and acquire means to achieve native command of a language or linguistic rule. The word native was defined as belonging to a country by birth. It was also defined as a stranger. The facts from these definitions took us to Deuteronomy chapter 28, verse 68. We called to your attention that the comma before the phrase, "and no man shall buy you," is for the purpose of bringing to your attention that there is a temporary stop in action or a temporary break in time before "and no man shall buy you" is to occur. During this temporary break in time, Deuteronomy chapter 18 verse 18 tells us what took place. Yahweh raised up a prophet. We documented that prophet means the same as Messiah, and Messiah was defined as the promised deliverer and liberator of an oppressed people. Now today, we shall proceed by identifying these oppressed people right after this message.
All the creatures of nature constitutes my great army. I don't need a gun and a tank and an Air Force and a Marines and a ship and a bomb to whip a nation. I can whip any nation on earth in less than a minute. I can swallow an entire country up in seconds. In 10 seconds, I can leave nobody in America if I want to. I just cause one big mighty earthquake, and that'll get that little bit. And you can't kill me, because I existed before this body.